In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in keyframing in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever animated a parameter and realized the motion isn't working, or you nudged a keyframe and everything went off track, don't worry. There are two quick ways to get back to a clean state. We'll start inside DaVinci Resolve, then use the edit page to access the tools you need. First, open the DaVinci Resolve app. Give it a moment to load your project and timeline. We'll be working where most basic animation happens, so head to the edit page. This is the page designed for timeline editing and keyframe adjustments, and it's the most straightforward place to correct an accidental change. Now, if you just made a keyframe tweak, you regret, maybe you shifted a keyframe or adjusted a value, the fastest way to reverse it is the universal undo command. On Windows, press Ctrl+Z. On Mac, press CMD+Z. This instantly rolls back your last action, including moving a keyframe, changing a keyframe value, or toggling a keyframe on a parameter. If you made several quick changes in a row, keep pressing the shortcut to step backward through them one by one. This is ideal when you know the mistake just happened and you want to retrace your steps without touching anything else. Sometimes, though, you don't just want to undo the last move, you want to wipe all keyframes for a specific control and return it to its default. That's where the inspector comes in. Look to the top right of the interface and open the inspector. If you don't see it, click the inspector button to reveal it. Make sure your clip is selected so its controls are visible. Find the parameter you've been keyframing. Common ones include transform controls like zoom, position, and rotation, or attributes like opacity. Next to each parameter, there's a small curved reset arrow icon. Click that icon, and Resolve instantly removes all keyframes for that parameter and restores it to its default state across the clip. This is a precise, one-click cleanup. It won't delete your clip or affect unrelated settings, and you can reset only the parameters you actually want to clear while leaving others intact. To recap, use undo when you need to quickly reverse your most recent keyframe edits, and use the inspector's curved reset arrow when you want a clean slate for a specific parameter. With these two methods, you can confidently experiment with animation, knowing you can always back out or reset in seconds.